Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix the PayPal error 403 forbidden. First, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This often resolves temporary glitches. Next, try a different web browser like Chrome or Firefox to see if the issue is browser-specific. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can cause problems. Finally, disable any VPN or proxy services, as they can sometimes block access to secure sites like PayPal. These initial steps are quick and frequently effective. Moving on, let's check your account and security settings. Double-check that your PayPal login credentials are absolutely correct to avoid simple access errors. Take a moment to review your recent account activity for any unusual or suspicious logins, which could indicate a security concern. Temporarily disable any browser extensions, as some can interfere with website functionality. Lastly, confirm your device's date and time settings are accurate, as incorrect settings can sometimes cause secure connection issues. Now let's consider your network and device. A simple restart of your router and modem can often refresh your network connection, resolving many issues. Try accessing PayPal from an entirely different device, such as a smartphone or tablet, to determine if the problem is specific to your computer. It's also wise to scan your device for any malware or viruses that might be causing unexpected behavior. If possible, attempt to use a different network, like your mobile data, to further isolate the problem source. If the error persists after trying these steps, it's time to contact PayPal support. Before reaching out, gather all relevant information, including screenshots of the error message, to help them assist you more efficiently. Visit the PayPal Help Center first, as they often have specific solutions for common error codes. Then, contact their customer support directly via phone or chat. Clearly explain all the troubleshooting steps you have already taken to speed up the resolution process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.